It's a serious question. Do you think you're the devil himself?
I know. Why would you say that?
Today, we look beyond one name to a wider network of power, silence, and unanswered questions. The Epstein Files. The term Epstein Files refers to a large collection of court documents, official records, and victim testimonies linked to American financier Jeffrey Epstein. Jeffrey Epstein was accused of running a sex trafficking network involving underage girls while maintaining close relationships with powerful and influential figures from politics, business, and elite social circles. These files include court filings, flight records of Epstein's private jets, contact lists, photographs, and sworn statements from victims. Many of these documents become public over time, especially after courts ordered the release of previously sealed records. Several well-known and prominent names appeared in these files. However, it is important to clearly state that being named does not automatically imply guilt. Some individuals are mentioned due to social or professional associations, while others are directly accused by victims in sworn testimony. The controversy surrounding the case deepens after Epstein received a highly lenient plea dealing in 2008. In the year 2019, while awaiting trial, Epstein died in a New York jail. His death officially ruled a suicide, brought an end to the criminal cases, but left many serious questions unanswered. Recently, the United States Department of Justice released thousands of additional documents related to the Epstein investigations. These include photographs and records showing Epstein's interactions with prominent figures, renewing public scrutiny and debate. The Epstein files matters because they expose concern about abuse of power, failures within the justice system, and how influential network can avoid accountability. This case is no longer just about one man. It is about transparency, justice, and whether the powerful are held to the same standards of everyone else. As more details continue to emerge, the real question remains not just what is written in these files, but whether true accountability will ever follow.